What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Time is not on your side in the sport of boxing, at least competitively. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're at least 15 years older, which means you're already behind the eight ball. The training aspect of it can be done your whole life. You can be the oldest guy in the gym, that's cool. But you don't want to start out your career so late that you're rushing and taking opportunities that are just not, that where you're at a disadvantage just for the sake of doing it. I had a guy walk into my gym several years ago. He was an excellent boxer, never competed. He just been training for a long time. He was beating up pros with winning records in my gym, beating the hell out of them. Disappeared for a few years, would stay in touch, call me, say, yo, man, I'm ready to come back this year. Hold on, man, I need a little more time. Something happened again. Oh, okay, call me back the next year, same story. He came back to me 1 year past the deadline for basically the age to where he can compete in the Golden Gloves, the regular Golden Gloves. And I had to tell him, like, yo, you're too old. I hate saying that, but yeah, bro, you passed the deadline. You're not legally allowed to fight in this tournament anymore. And not to say he can't do other things, but he was heartbroken because that was something on his bucket list that he just wanted to do. And when I first met this guy, he was in his, he was like in his late 20s, I think. And now it's too late. Too much time went by. It's over. Game over. So, you don't want to be a victim of time. And the longer you wait, like if you feel like boxing now, do it now. And if you started boxing already, don't take breaks. Don't backstep. Keep pushing forward. And if you really want to do this as a career, taking too many breaks is just like a sure road to failure. You want to sequentially set up milestones from beginning to end. You got to really talk to your coach about planning out your amateur career. I mean, yeah, take it step by step, of course. I'll tell everybody in the beginning, plan one fight. That's it. Don't look past that. Even if you know you want to compete in the Olympics or whatever, start off just saying, I only want to have one fight. Take it one step at a time. Once you got about 10 fights under your belt, now we know you're really locked in and you're serious, then you should start looking at, bigger goals like national tournaments and so on and so forth. But plan it out. Say, by the end of this year, I want to be in this tournament. And depending on what happens, next year I want to do this and that. You gotta really look at it like a career and plan it accordingly. Instead of just flying by the seat of your pants, just randomly doing different things. That's how people get lost. And again, if you wind up starting too late, you're not going to physically be at your best. You want to knock this competitive side of it out while you're in your physical prime. Yeah, you could be the next Bernard Hopkins or set the bar even higher, but it's not the best way to come into the game. You want to get in and get out. Make the most progress, cover the most ground in the shortest period of time, and walk off into the sunset a winner with no regrets. And that's pretty much the best way to approach boxing competitively. Take advantage of time, don't waste it, and realize there is a time limit. There's going to be a time when the doors will be closed on you, and all you can do is stand in the crowd and watch from the sidelines. So get your ass in the gym, stay dedicated. If this is something you really want to do, don't take no back steps. Look at the calendar and put short-term goals on the calendar, like every quarter, every 3 months. I want to be sparring guys with this amount of experience in this amount of time. Or I want to have this many fights by this amount of time. And make sure you got a coach that can do that for you, somebody that takes you serious, and somebody that can bring you into the situations you want to participate in the right way so you get the best outcome. And, take it year by year, and hopefully, you'll have a nice plan of action put together, execute it, and you can look back on your boxing career with satisfaction, knowing that you executed the plan as flawlessly as you could. Things happen. Things ain't always going to be perfect, but the less planning you do, the less perfect they're going to be. So anyway, I hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check out my Instagram, coach.v_, and put your comments in the comment section. and share your thoughts about your experiences. If you guys are, late bloomers and if you want me to answer any questions too, throw them in the comment section about, what kind of regimen you should be on. We got the program coming out. It's almost done. I promise it'll be done by the end of next month. And we'll be helping some of you guys get started en route to accomplishing some of your goals. So anyway, take it easy till the next time we up out of here. Out.